Over 62 years of history and social impact, the University of Pamplona has been contributing to the educational, economic research, innovative social and cultural development, as well as the health care for Colombians, assuming an important role in the region of Norte de Santander and its boundary area with Venezuela.
The management period for Dr. Ivaldo Torres Chávez began in 2017, who was re-elected for 2021 to 2024, in which high achievements have been accomplished, such as the delivery of Resolution number 018143 of September 27, 2021, granted by the Ministry of National Education that certified the University of Pamplona in high quality level for 4 years, including the high quality certification of 12 undergraduate and postgraduate academic degrees, the acquisition of 5 patents, the impact through extension projects in the region, the zero enrollment for students, the construction of 5 new libraries, the University Wellness Center, the adaptation of the administrative block in Pamplona, and the construction of the presidential building at the Villa Rosario headquarters.
The Call 100-2020 for Public Merit Contest that sought to provide 100 full-time professors for academic strengthening, the teacher qualification in second language and ICT, the creation of the Research Result Transfer Unit, UTRI, the Unipamplona Publishing House stamp, the call for Bicentennial Doctoral Excellence Scholarship Program, and the Experimental Center for Molecular Diagnosis and Research, CEDIMOL, and the Biomedical Sciences Laboratory.
In the same way, it is highlighted within his management that by means of Resolution number 1179 of June 29, 2022, the Ministry of Justice of Law granted the endorsement to the Reconciliémonos Conciliation Center of the Legal Clinic of the University of Pamplona to provide training in extrajudicial conciliation in law.
This process was carried out at the request of the university and upon verifying compliance with the requirements of the Article 224281 of the Decree 1069 of 2015, granting authorization to provide training in the area.
The importance of having obtained the resolution lies in the fact that it grants the faculty to train students to extrajudicial conciliation degree in law. Likewise, it positions the legal clinic and the Reconciliémonos Conciliation Center in our region as a pioneer in the promotion of alternative conflict resolution mechanisms as an efficient, effective, agile, and economical tool.
Similarly, the University of Pamplona has hosted events such as the session of National Council of Higher Education, CESU, the first in-person assembly of the Dolphin Program, the Technical Table for Internationalization Alianza CS+, State University System, Meet and Connect 2022, the University Company State Committee, and the Congress of Notaries of the East Collegiate Union of Notaries, among other events.
This is how we are present in every corner of the country, with the headquarters in Villa del Rosario, Cucuta Expansion, and 11 regional distant education centers located throughout the national territory, throughout which the access to higher education is provided to the young people of the country who can study a professional degree from the departments they come from.
Within the path of academic excellence and complying with the mission objectives, we have been strengthening ourselves through our 4 pillars: teaching, research, extension, and budget management, thus obtaining the high-quality institutional certification for the Pamplona headquarters by the Ministry of National Education, being the first to obtain this distinction in Norte de Santander, a path that has allowed the continuity of the same process in Villa del Rosario headquarters.
Each one of our advances has allowed us to demonstrate our commitment, and with this we have left a positive mark in the community, reaching the formation of 100,000 graduating and in the undergraduate and postgraduate modalities, which we do not doubt that they will continue the legacy that we have led for years as promoters of scientific and technological knowledge and promoters of peace.
Likewise, our university community is growing. Today, there are more than 24,000 students, which 97% are from Strata 1 and 2. Additionally, the institution has opened its doors to students in special condition, changing their lives and providing the opportunity to have a better future.
For the development of its missionary functions, the University of Pamplona has academic, research, and sports spaces, student dining rooms, and an integrated transportation system adapted to respond to the needs in different areas of knowledge that our institution has related to the arts and humanity, basic, agricultural, engineering and architecture, health, education, economic and business sciences.
That is why, in order to continue growing and strengthening ourselves, our alma mater has works of great impact, such as the new library with modern concepts and spaces, the construction of new auditoriums, halls, laboratories to strengthen the academy, the new administrative building at the Pamplona and Villa del Rosario headquarters, the cafeteria squares in Pamplona and Villa del Rosario, the new university wellness building that includes medical and psychological offices, and new office for social interaction, the construction of the Experimental Center for Molecular Diagnosis and Research (CEDIMOL), specialized laboratories for COVID-19 and tropical diseases assistance, promoting academic, scientific, and technological development, responding to the current needs of education and the country.
Within these spaces, the Villa Marina Experimental Farm, a place located 20 minutes from the Madrid city on the Cucuta-Pamplona road, it's a place for the students of the Faculty of Agricultural Science to have areas for their academic and research development. In the same token, the epicenter of ecotourism, Norte Santander, is also located there, in which the green landscapes, its ecological routes, its scenarios, sports, and the human talent are tourist alternatives for those who visit us.
The Center for Research and Technological Development in Advanced Clinical Simulation has scenarios that allow students of the Faculty of Health to acquire highly conditioned and structured real margin skills for the dynamic and continuous evaluation of clinical processes, putting themselves at the forefront in the development of clinical processes with high-tech equipment.
Currently, our institution has 12 high-quality certified programs, which allows us to advance in the effective training of leaders in the Colombian territory. Within some programs as occupational therapy under resolution number 013181 of July 17, 2018, for a term of 4 years. Likewise, the bachelor degree in physical education, recreation and sports under resolution number 11250 of June 2, 2017. Also the bachelor degree in foreign languages, English French resolution number 27742 of December 7, 2017. It should be noted that these certifications have a term of 4 years.
We are an institution that has generated a great impact at the expansion level through various projects that seek to generate solutions to the problems of our environment, where we have worked jointly with various territorial and national institutions, both public and private.
Likewise, we have 6 patents qualified researchers who support all the processes of management, creation, and transfer of knowledge, which are categorized by mean scientists.
Administratively, we are an institution that guarantees efficient and responsible management of our resources, exceeding 97.60% effectiveness in meeting our goals in the measurement of indicators for the year 2021.
This is how we feel proud to show our University of Pamplona, which is consolidated by its pedagogical tradition for providing quality education, contributing to the construction of a new country in peace.